In this video we're going to be going through how we can create a simple and easy plugin for our site. We're simply going to be using AI to build this plugin. I'm using ChatGPT for this one. I'm going to start off the question with saying that I need you to build a plugin I can download for my WordPress site. This has given it a few bits of key information that first of all I want a plugin that I can download, and second of all it's for a WordPress site, so it will give you something that will work with WordPress. I'm then going to add what I want it to do, so I want a plugin that will let me submit holiday listings from the back end of my WordPress and display them on the front end using a shortcode. Give it as much or as little information as you want because you can then go ahead and keep building from this. So let's go ahead and get started. And this really can allow you to create lots of different things for your WordPress site. Anything from adding reCAPTCHA to the front end of your WordPress, creating listings, booking systems, and the only limitations is the limitations to what your AI that you're using has. So usually a pro version or a paid for version will work better because it won't limit how many times you can ask it to change or revise your plugin. It looks like it's done and it has the plugin ready, and it's also given us some instructions. What it does, it gives us the price, start date, end date, location, booking URL, and adds it in a clean grid layout. And also gives you the shortcode that we can put on the page. It gives us installation instructions, and for this particular one it also gives us shortcode options. So let's go ahead and try it. It doesn't always work the first time, but usually just with a bit of time going back and forth and asking it different things, it will end up working. AI is also really good at troubleshooting, so if something doesn't work, we can work with the AI to help us make it work. First of all, let's go ahead and install it. Like with any other plugin, we're going to go to add plugin, however we're going to be adding the zipped file this time. So to add the zipped file, we're going to go upload plugin, choose file, and select it from your downloads list. Then go ahead and install. Go ahead and activate afterwards. As you can see, we now have a holiday listings plugin, and it's also given us a really cool little thing on the back end here called holidays, where we have all holidays or add new holiday. Before we do that, I'm just going to go ahead to the home page and I'm going to edit it to add the shortcode. The shortcode being this one here. I'm then going to add a block, which of course is a shortcode, so we can add our shortcode in, and let's go ahead and publish. Publish again, and let's go to the live page. As you can see, we don't have any holidays, so no holidays found. However, let's add a holiday. To our holiday section, add a new holiday, and it's given us the little options here like price, start date, end date, location, booking reference. And because we're using AI, it automatically adds little things that will just make it easier for you. Because I didn't ask it for a start and end date, but obviously worked out that it has got a start and end date and it will need it. For the booking URL, I'm just going to make it up. Obviously, if you have a booking page, that's what you're going to want to put there. And now let's go to publish the holiday. We've even got a little view holiday tab. Now I've gone to the home page just to check out the holiday, and as you can see, this doesn't look quite right. So what we can now do is go ahead and make changes to the existing plugin. As I'm using the pro version of ChatGPT, I'm simply going to screenshot the whole page to show it, but you can also describe it by telling it. So I've put the column of the holidays aren't proportioned well, can you fix this? And I've also added in a screenshot. However, you can just describe what the situation is. And I've said provide me an updated version of the plugin with the fixes. With that all fixed, we now have the new fixed version. Just let us know what has changed and how to update it. I'm going to go to plugins, add plugin, go to upload plugin again, and we're simply just going to upload the new version. Click install now, and this will automatically find the older version and it will update it as it does now. And you can see the versions are slightly different. We've got 1 and here we have 1.1. Then replace current with uploaded. As long as the plugin has updated successfully, that should be all good. If it hasn't, let the AI know, and it should then fix it. Back to the home page, let's refresh this one, and there we go. Now we can see the holiday listing. Now we're not going to build the full plugin here, but however, you've got the starting point. You can now start to build from this by simply asking it to add or change things. Whether you want the details to look different, the booking to be different, whether you want a currency mark there, everything can simply now be asked, created, downloaded, and then uploaded as we did just now to create you a working plugin for what you need. And best of all, you don't have to go for the pro version of stuff, you can now build your own.